Hello, today is Tuesday, November 8th, 2022. I am at Cafe Silk Road waiting for the cafe's customers to finish their party and go home. Then I will be a designated driver for one of the customers. I don't know who, but I'm still waiting for them so that I can drive their car back to Gwangju. Then I get back to Cafe Silk Road and drive home myself. Today we had a discussion at the office about AWS and cloud strategies for KT. And one of my colleagues mentioned about AWS certificates. There seem to be a lot of certificates by AWS, but since I am not on the technical team, instead I'm on the more on the business side. He mentioned that I need to get a business fundamental certificate. So let's take a look into this certification and learn more about cloud technology by AWS. And I'm trying to read this article by Cloud Guru as a part of my effort to practice English. I'm going to read the entire context by focusing on the pronunciation and trying to pick up some useful words and phrases while being more knowledgeable about cloud technology and all about AWS. Here we go. Apprentice level, AWS Business Essentials. Learn the business fundamentals of Amazon Web Services by Mark Nunikhoven. 24 lessons, 2 hours. AWS Business Essentials. About the course. Hello, Cloud Gurus. What is the cloud? What is cloud computing? This course will answer these questions and more. AWS Business Essentials is designed to help business leaders, executives, and non-technical staff understand the advantages of cloud computing and build a cloud strategy to meet your business goals. The course will review the business and financial benefits of cloud computing and the fundamentals of AWS. In this course, you will also learn about the cloud adoption framework to help design a strategy to successfully deploy the AWS platform within your business. There are no prerequisites for this course as it's being designed exclusively for those with no previous cloud experience. You will start with an introduction to the cloud and AWS, and will explain the benefits to your business and how those benefits will transform your IT rapidly compared with traditional IT. Then you will explore how the cloud is far more agile and elastic compared to traditional IT, and also explain the benefits of a pay-as-you-go pricing strategy, a revolution in IT pricing. This course will help you plan your adoption and migration to the cloud. Well, here is a little bit confusing word, pay-as-you-go. In our mobile service, the prepaid service, by which you top up your account based on the expected amount of data or of texting or calls. So it is It is also called pay as you go, and I found the expression quite confusing. Pay as you go means pay as you go, not pay before you go. It's just pay as while you are going, pay as you go. So, but with a mobile phone service, we use pay as you go as the prepaid service. You cannot use more than one you have paid for. But with the cloud service and with other service, with utilities such as gas and electricity, you pay after you use the certain amount of gas or electricity. It is more like a postpaid, 후불제 in Korean. So it's a bit confusing, but pay as you go or PAYG in this context means you don't put down a lot of money in the infrastructure investment, but instead you just borrow some space in the cloud structure framework. So it's postpaid and you don't pay heavily for infrastructure building out. So where were we? Here we go. I'll repeat the sentence one more time. Then you will explore how the cloud is far more agile and elastic, flexible compared to traditional IT, and also explain the benefits of pay-as-you-go pricing strategy. A revolution in IT pricing. This course will help you plan your adoption and migration to the cloud. We will introduce you to AWS Cloud Adoption Framework, as well as the well-architectured framework to help technical teams make decisions that align with business goals. It will also introduce you to the AWS Partner Network so you know where to go to connect to technology and consulting organizations who can help your organization in its cloud adoption journey. You will also learn about how your data will be kept safe in the cloud and how your business can manage and control your data effectively. And finally, this course will demystify some of the terms in AWS, helping you become familiar and constant in the critical concepts and features. AWS Business Essentials explains key concepts clearly. By the end of the course, you will understand the cloud and how it will help your business, the basic economics of cloud computing, how security and compliance work in the cloud, an overview of the cloud migration process so you can confidently make IT decisions that align with your business goals. Join us in this course and get started on your cloud journey today. Keep being awesome, cloud gurus. Contact sales, see pricing, lessons. Chapter 1 have 5 lessons. Start here. Chapter 2, what the cloud can do for you. 4 lessons, 27:10. Chapter 3, 4 lessons, how to get to the AWS cloud. Chapter 4, tools to help build better in the AWS cloud. Chapter 5, how safe is your data in the AWS cloud. Chapter 6, AWS cloud in a nutshell. Practice alongside courses in Cloud Playground. What is Cloud Playground? Cloud Playground lets you build skills in real-world AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure environments. Spin up risk-free sandboxes, servers, and terminals, and follow along with courses. Test a new idea or prepare for exams. Learning for business, for individuals, hands-on labs, resources, blog, webinars, case studies, ebooks, forum, about us, contact us, careers, ACG news, support. Let's go back and see if there's a prerequisites for this course. What you will need? None. That's good. Prerequisites. Practice. Yeah, prerequisites. None. Outcomes. What you can expect. You will be able to demonstrate an understanding of why cloud computing is the engine of digital transformation. You will be able to display a working knowledge of the basic economics of cloud computing as it relates to your business. You will be able to show an understanding of how security and compliance work in the cloud. You will gain an awareness of the cloud migration process. That's good. Let's go back and see the pricing. Unlimited cloud learning plans and pricing. Yearly pricing, monthly pricing. Personal basic fast track certifications with hands-on learning. $348 per year. Savings of $72 when paid yearly. $35 per month if paid monthly. Start a free trial. 25% off limited time. Personal Plus. Learn by doing in unlimited AWS, Azure, and Azure, I think Azure, and GCP sandboxes. Let's find out the exact pronunciation. I think it's not a Z sound, but more like a J. Yeah.
Azure.
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 Azure. Yeah. This pronunciation, right? Not this one.
Azure. Azure. Azure.
Azure. Fuck.
Azure.
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 Azure. If it's a Z sound, it should be Azure. Azure. That's strange. Azure.
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 Azure. Yeah. Like a pleasure. Leisure. Got it? You did? You did? Personal Plus. Learn by doing in unlimited AWS, Azure, and GCP sandboxes. $348 per year. $120 off regular pricing with a promo. $47 per month if paid monthly. Save now. Business Basic. Upskill teams with hands-on learning. $420 per year. Billed yearly per learner. Requires a minimum of 2 learners. Sign up. Business Plus. Customize and accelerate skills development at scale. $588 per year. Billed yearly per learner. Requires a minimum of 2 learners. Sign up. Or contact sales. Unsure? Get started with an always free plan. Start free. Limited access to basic courses and features. No credit card required. Offer applies to customers who purchase, renew, upgrade to a Personal Plus annual plan. Offer valid from 20 a.m. CT Central Time on June 20th, 2022. Offer may not be combined with any other offers. Offer includes access to the Cloud Guru platform only. Purchases made in connection with this offer do not include a free trial period and are subject to the terms of use. Applicable taxes will be included at checkout. Pricing may vary by region. Learn more. Trusted by over 4,000 brands. Verizon, Thomson Reuters, Capital One, Cloud Checker, University of Notre Dame, Mendoza College of Business, Accenture, Have questions? We've got answers. I want to study cloud. Where do I start? Let's go back and see if we have other resources. See pricing, okay. So this article is by Mark Nunick-Hoven, and we learned that this course is quite important, and some Azure, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. What else? Renew, upgrade, pricing, yearly pricing, monthly pricing. What else? What else? Prerequisites. There's no prerequisites. Lessons, outcomes. Let's check this video.
Okay, hello Cloud Gurus.
At A Cloud Guru, we seamlessly integrate hands-on learning every step of the way. We call it Learn by Doing. Why does that matter? Because just watching a thing won't make you a pro at that thing. Watching can lead to knowing.
And knowing is half the battle.
Half the battle.
But the other half? That's doing.
Oh god, this guy is
Hands-on
hilarious.
This is
training.
Lars.
Doing is the half the battle.
Who said that?
He's part of our crack team of engaging tech wizards who weave together courses, labs, and sandbox environments into one buttery smooth interactive learning journey. Other platforms give you a fragmented experience. Watch a boring lecture, then figure it out on your own.
Do what?
Good question. With A Cloud Guru, learners code along with instruction, learn faster, and retain more. 85% of people say they retain more by getting hands-on with A Cloud Guru. How's it work?
No idea.
With hands-on labs and Cloud Playground. Hands-on labs are guided exercises that put skills into play around practical scenarios. We offer more than 1,400 labs, including meaty deep dives and snack-sized how-tos, ideal for picking up new concepts in as little as 15 minutes. Then there's Cloud
Get a
Playground.
deep dive.
It lets learners practice in real and safe AWS, GCP, and Azure environments.
GCP.
Get unlimited access to almost any service at zero extra cost. Take real servers for a virtual spin. With no surprise bills
What have I done?
and no
No
fear of
surprise
breaking
bills.
anything. And no downloads or open insecure ports on the corporate network required. With A Cloud Guru, you can put these on this, so you can get these. Learn faster, retain more with A Cloud Guru, the leader in cloud learning.
The leader in cloud learning.
Hello?
Yeah. Hello? Yeah, you look like David Letterman, man. Yeah, you look like a David Letterman. Yeah, tonight's top 10 list. Here we go. David Letterman. I liked his show, but he has never invited me over because I live in Korea. That's bullshit. He should have done that before. It's still not late. It's always better late than never. Yeah, I don't have money, David. You can invite me over. Library, platform, resources, individual business pricing, Cloud Guru. Okay, let's check out other stuff. Okay, here. Exit certified training, AWS essentials for getting started. AWS Cloud Essentials for business leaders. AWS Cloud Essentials for business leaders. In this course, you will learn the fundamental concepts of cloud computing and how a cloud strategy can help companies meet business objectives. It explores the advantages and possibilities of cloud what? In this course, you will learn the fundamental concepts of cloud computing and how a cloud strategy can help companies meet business objectives. It explores the advantages and possibilities of cloud computing. It also introduces addresses concepts such as security. It also introduces and addresses concepts such as security and compliance to help facilitate the better discussions with line of business (LOB), line of business professionals, information technology (LOB), IT leaders and executives. With line of business (LOB), professionals, information technology (LOB). Skills gained. Explain the role of information technology in an organization for business transformation. Explain the customer value proposition for using the cloud across industries. Define key characteristics of cloud computing. Explain the cloud business model. Identify key security practices of cloud computing. Frame the cloud business value using the cloud value framework. Who can benefit? Line of business (LOB) owners, IT leaders, and executives. Line of business. Prerequisites. No prior IT experience or cloud experience is required. Courses details. Course details, course online, and so on. So 녹음하고 있어. Course details, course online, Module 1, course introduction, Module 2, information technology for business transformation, role of IT in an organization for business transformation, brief history of IT, legacy approach to IT, what drives customers to move from traditional infrastructure to the cloud, Module 3, cloud computing, define cloud computing, key characteristics of cloud technology, the cloud business model, key security practices within the cloud, Module 4, business value of the cloud, the customer value proposition, identify who is using cloud computing, industry trends, customer examples, Module 5, the cloud value framework, introduction to the cloud value framework, cost savings, staff productivity, operational resilience, business agility, Module 6, business value activity. Upcoming courses, course dates, view more available dates, December 16th, 2022 to December 16th, 2022. 1 day, McLean, Virginia, language English time 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time, New York time. Enroll, generate a quote. Yes, we have another 1 day at MVP Toronto, Ontario. There's Canada. Another 1 day course at MVP Edison NJ. What is MVP? Most valuable person? English, no. Request other date. Request on-site courses. Let's say generate quote. Your quote, first name, last name, email, company, phone, street, city, postal, zip code. Are you also the student? Determine eligibility for an account level discount. Eligible for General Services Administration pricing. GSA. General Services Administration pricing. GSA. General Services Administration. AWS Cloud Essentials for Business Leaders. Okay, so that's it. If you're interested, you can start by certified by the certification on the AWS Business Essentials or Fundamentals. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye-bye.